In a universe where dreams take flight, one ordinary astronaut will embark on an extraordinary journey to discover the magic beyond our world. Get ready to take off. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Wow, stellar dreams. Coming soon to a galaxy near you. That's correct. AI-generated films are now a reality, and the best thing is that they are completely free to make. In this video, I'll show you how to create Disney Pixar-style AI-generated animations for free. I'll teach you how to create high-quality animation scenes by properly generating still photos with an incredible free image generator. I wanted to create a trailer for a non-existent Disney Pixar film. Therefore, I used ChatGPT to generate a script for a short, non-existent Disney Pixar-style trailer. And I'll make the graphics based on this script. I'm using Leonardo.AI to create these photos. I'll make use of the 3D animation model. Add a prompt such as, a young boy astronaut with brown hair and a blue spacesuit on a space shuttle launch site in a Disney Pixar movie style. I also want the scene to be located on Earth. Therefore, I'll insert a comma and put bright blue skies. The second thing I recommend is that negative prompts be enabled. I don't want multiple characters or space in the image, or do I want to have a space shuttle taking off? The most critical elements are disabling the photoreal, alchemy, and prompt magic sliders. Especially if you're using the free version, I am choosing a 16:9 aspect ratio. And these results are very impressive. It's important to upscale the image to achieve the best possible quality when generating the animation through HD crisp upscale option. Now, download the image. The second way I prefer includes the use of a reference image. In this scenario, you can search for an image you want to recreate online and enter it into Leonardo's image input box. Follow the same processes as you would for conventional image generation to get something like this. Let us now bring these ideas to life. PicoLabs will be used to accomplish this. Simply go to their website and click Join Beta to be directed to Discord. As a result, I recommend starting a private chat with the PicoBot. To start producing, input a / and then choose Animate. You may upload the image you made using Leonardo here. The following step is to begin with your prompt. This is when things get a little technical, so pay close attention. You want to start with a written prompt and follow a similar prompt template I used in Leonardo. A young boy with brown hair and a blue spacesuit. The scene follows. Describe the action in the scene. Walking towards the camera, for example. Then paste these 6 metrics. Add an FPS, frames per second. Value between 8 and 24, which indicates 8 or 24 frames per second. Add GS, a higher guidance scale will result in a video that is more closely linked to the prompt, while a lower guidance scale will result in a more creative video that may be less related to the prompt. You can enter a value between 8 and 24 here. Next is the amount of motion you can add to the generation. You can add anything between 0 and 3, with 0 being very little motion and 3 being a lot of motion. The seed is simply a random number that determines the outcome of the video. You simply choose a random number, and if you create it again without changing the prompt and get the same result, you utilize the same seed number. Change the seed number to get a slightly different result. I'm going to add camera motion to it. I want the boy to walk towards the camera. If you wish to achieve this, you should zoom out the camera. The next step would be to provide negative prompts. You can now begin to include things you don't want to see or happen in the video. Such include distortion, adding extra limbs, the boy waving his arms, and a deforming body. I will immediately generate a different version. This is already looking very promising, and you can definitely see that the one with the lower guidance scale looks a little better. After you are satisfied, you can download the video. So, those are the essentials of how to use this tool. After downloading the movie from Pika, I would always recommend using a video upscaler to improve the quality. CapCut includes a powerful and completely free online upscaler. After you've finished each scene, you'll want to start editing. However, before you begin editing, you must first select the appropriate background music and sound effects for your picture. For this, I like to utilize Mixkit and Pixabay. I'm confident I won't run into any copyright difficulties. You should also create the voiceover. People mostly utilize PicoLabs.io for this because they have the most comprehensive database of highly realistic voiceovers. You can use any editing program you like for editing, but I highly recommend CapCut. It's a free and simple video editing program that people use for videos. Simply import all of your parts into your editing software and edit the video as desired. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing, so more people realize that you are watching quality content. This will allow me to create more of these videos.